So I'm sorry guys for getting you this close to me as the machine. Yeah, I was trying to for you guys to see that I'm a machine. Okay, we did mitigate and made our entry at that supply zone, which I'm going to teach you guys, and whatever. And this is our bullish order block, which I'm going to teach you, bearish order block, which I'm going to teach you guys also. And we also did our mitigation at this bearish breaker, which I'm going to also teach you guys. And this one too. This one was a little loss, but this one was still, the entry wasn't hit at whatever, because you put your stop loss above there. This one you put above there, and this here you put above there. And this rejection block, treating it as a supply zone, you put your stop loss above there or above here, or at the 75% or 25% level here. From this level to up, if you treat it as 0 to 100, 75%, you might put your stop loss there, because mostly the price will return to its 50% and reject. So that's how we trade our rejection blocks and our supply zones. Yeah, so they did that mitigation at the bearish breaker, supply order block, bearish order block. This was our fair value gap. Yeah, this was our fair value gap. I did the labeling, which was being hit by this thing. Guys, how do I remove this thing so that everything can be transparent? Because guys in. So then it went down and did its targeting. Its first target, you would have taken your partials at here. This is the demand zone, and this is the low partial. This is the demand zone, or yeah, this is the demand zone or order block. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, or order block. You take there, and the market will reverse, because it tends to reverse at those levels, premium discount levels, at those premium discount levels. And it went back at this demand zone and black order block, bullish order block, which is the black candle, the white one as the demand zone, because it was unmitigated. Our demand zones and supply zones are the tops, and the demand zone is the bottom of the fair value gap, whatever, and supply zone is the top of the fair value gap, because it's unmitigated. There's no price that went there to mitigate it, to take some orders, whatever. And here's our order block. Here's our order block and demand zone. It was mitigated there, and here's our rejection block, fully mitigated there, and it mitigated fully at our low there. And that's clean delivery of price, because the volume of orders were exited there, or smart money entered its longs there, most of its volume. And here was the spreads and little things that were happening. Price, the algorithm doing its thing, but see there what was happening. That's like your clean. That's why I like ICT. He is the GOAT. He is better than William Gang. Thanks for watching. Remember, money management, risk management, good psychology, good strategy, analyzing concept, trade plan, trade management, and other things that I haven't yet mentioned. Back testing, forward testing, whatever. Gain the experience and experience itself, because whatever is the only way you're going to be profitable and consistently profitable and win in this industry. Treat this as a business, please. I love you guys. I am going to make you guys successful. I am about to introduce a new trading community, the machines of all trades trading community, where we will be doing our analysis, dropping our analysis, guys. Where we'll be dropping our analysis, and explaining everything. Doing like a small mentorship, but on live charts. Doing our live analysis, posting them and sharing them, why teaching you guys everything that I teach in the free mentorship, teaching you guys there more of it, and taking trades live. There'll be live videos there. We'll be doing trading every session, every London session, and every New York session. For every morning London session, or AM London session, and the AM New York session, and the PM New York session, we'll be doing our live, um, our live trades there, or our live market reviews and whatever there, and we'll be doing whatever. And guys, I hope you guys will join, and it'll be 667. What did I say? 676 Pula, or $50, with coaching. And I'll be doing coaching with the team. I have a team there that will be doing coaching everyone who needs a helping hand, who wants to ask a question personally to us as the machines of all trades. And we'll be helping him. Everything that you want to learn, we will teach you there, privately, coaching online. We're doing our Zoom calls, doing our whatever calls, video calls, and learning, teaching you. If you're doing you will do a market review, and I'll check on you guys. When are you guys? What you did? If you did it right, if you're improving, if you're not, if you whatever, and I'm going to follow you like you have never been followed before. Like your math teacher never followed you. Like I'm going to follow you as a coach, because I'm going to force you to success. I am going to, and that will cost 138,532. That will cost 1,358 pula 32 tebe for the membership in our trading community and the coaching on top of that. Membership, you'll see our analysis, teaching you guys our trading plans, our risk management plans, our risk management plan, trade plans, whatever, and how we manage our trades, whatever, life, showing you how to take better entries, showing you how to not be fearful of the markets and trust your trading plan, and you'll be successful. Guys, please join. Yeah, because it's very good to have a family and to have people to talk to every fucking day, live every trading session, and not being alone, maybe talking to a few of your friends, having a community to to consult and to help each other and improve and whatever, sharing of indicators and whatever that will help in bettering your future. And we'll be doing it through our Discord and through Telegram and a little through WhatsApp. But I will do WhatsApp because most people have WhatsApp. So WhatsApp, Telegram, and Discord, YouTube, and also Facebook for the public things, because I will also be doing public live streams and public market reviews and analysis, or posting some analysis live, especially in the first week, because I'll be showing you guys what we'll be doing in our trading community. So guys, join to the Machines of All Trades trading community. This is the Machine of All Trades channel, and I am the ghost in the machine, and the financial markets is where I operate. I am the master of none, because I get into everything, I learn everything, I like it, I trade every market that's tradable. I'm knowledgeable. I like to be knowledgeable in mostly everything, at least the basics. At least let me get knowledgeable into that, so that when I get in the community, I can communicate. If you get it. Goodbye.